Currently, it is common practice for consulting engineers to design sanitary, storm, and water services in accordance with municipal and regional standards to end at the property line. This exposes workers and machine operators to unnecessary risks. To create a safer working environment, the Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association is proposing that municipal and regional standards be amended in order to allow the sewer and water main contractors to extend sanitary, storm, and water services 1.5 meters beyond the property line. The following video will demonstrate the benefits of this practice. Here we have a typical situation where a drain and concrete contractor would be excavating and installing storm and sanitary water services from the lot line to the building wall. As you can see, the locates of the underground utilities illustrate the close proximity of the sewer laterals in relation to hydro, gas, and other utilities. Having to excavate in such close proximity, there is greater potential to damage established facility infrastructures, and it also does not allow for a proper trench slope. The workers must now expose the water service curb stop, at which point the water line will be installed. During the installation of the utility lines, the ground has been repeatedly disturbed, making it difficult to attain a proper slope. And at an average depth of approximately 10 feet, this makes the surrounding soil dangerously unstable. In an effort to promote a safer working environment, the Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association proposes to extend sewer and water lateral water main services 1.5 meters beyond the property line. Here we begin to dig a trench where the laterals have been extended 1.5 meters beyond the lot line. As illustrated by the orange spray paint markings and the gas line flags, the extended laterals allow the backhoe operator to dig in a safer and more manageable situation. The backhoe operator is now able to create a proper slope without the fear of damaging existing infrastructure. This proper slope enables the worker to pick up services and utility connections in stable soil conditions and reduces the risk of cave-ins. Plus, it allows for proper sloping, an obvious endorsement by our labor partners, be it Local 183 Universal Workers Union or Local 793 Operating Engineers Union. With the connections exposed, the workers can now safely proceed in extending the storm and sewer lines to the home. The trench is properly sloped, and there are no exposed facilities such as gas lines. Once the storm and sewer lines are installed, the lines are inspected, and a stone slinger pours stone over the laterals for protection and stability for when the trench is backfilled. This proposed method has been developed into a best practice by the Ontario Regional Common Ground Alliance and has the strong support of the Sewer and Water Main Association, the Greater Toronto Sewer and Water Main Contractors Association, the Universal Workers Union Local 183, the International Union of Operating Engineers, the Construction Safety Association of Ontario, the Ontario Plumbing Inspectors Association, and the Residential Construction Councils of Ontario. This practice has been adopted and has become a standard in Durham Region, where the municipalities have understood the overwhelming safety benefits and they have recognized the merits of performing this scope of work. As their Standard 301 states, the sewer connection shall be laid from the main to 1.5 meters beyond the property line. The Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association gives accolades to Durham Region for promoting high standards and safe environments for the scope of work performed by the concrete and drain contractor. In summary, the Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association proposes extending the sewer and water main laterals 1.5 meters beyond the lot line. This allows installers to work in relatively undisturbed soil and at a safer distance from gas, hydro, and other utility lines. The Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association encourage all municipalities to consider adopting similar standards of practice. Our association believes in providing our workforce with safe work environments and the promotion of public safety in general. For more information, contact the Ontario Concrete and Drain Contractors Association, committed to safety and progress.